Hey everyone, welcome to the Mathematical Functions Guide. In this section, we'll cover the basic arithmetic functions like add, subtract, multiply, and divide. These functions are essential for performing calculations and manipulating numerical data in Engini's workflows. Whether you're adding values together, subtracting one from another, or dividing them, these functions will help you efficiently handle all your numerical tasks. Let's dive in and explore how each of these functions works. If you go to the Functions tab, you will see several function categories. You can filter the desired function by typing it directly or by navigating through the categories. Today, we choose the Mathematical Functions category. Many functions such as add, sub, sum, and more will appear. Each function comes with an explanation on how to use it. Let's start with the add function. The add function combines two or more numeric values or expressions and returns their sum. Unlike the sum function, the add function does not accept an array, meaning you need to input the values individually. For example, let's add the values 1 and 2 together. The result will be 3. Let's try this in practice and use the add function to combine the numbers 1 and 2. Once we save and test it, the output will be 3 as expected. Now, let's move on to the sub function. The sub function returns the result of subtracting one value or expression from another. It's used to calculate the difference between two numbers. For example, let's subtract the value 1 from 2. The result will be 1. Let's test this by using the sub function to subtract the number 1 from the number 2. After saving and testing, we'll see the output is 1. Now, let's move on to the divide function. The divide function returns the result of dividing one value by another. If the function attempts to divide by 0, it will return an alternate result that you can specify. For example, let's divide the value 10 by 5. The result will be 2. Let's test this by using the divide function to divide the number 10 by the number 5. After saving and testing, we'll see the output is 2. Now, let's move on to the multiply function. The multiply function returns the result of multiplying two or more values or expressions together. For example, let's multiply the value 8 by 8. The result will be 64. Let's test this by using the multiply function to multiply the number 8 by the number 8. After saving and testing, we'll see the output is 64. Let's go over the sum function. The sum function is used to find the total of two or more values or expressions, returning a numeric result from an array. This function can also handle multiple arrays. For this example, we'll use the createArray function to provide the input arrays. Let's create two arrays. The first array is 1, 2, 3, and the second array is 4, 5, 6. The sum function will then add all the elements in both arrays, and the output should be 21. Now, let's test the sum function. After saving and testing, the output is indeed 21. Next, let's explore the max function. The max function returns the largest value from a set of numbers or from a specified array. For example, let's compare the numbers 101 and 55. The function will return the largest value, which is 101. Let's test this by using the max function to find the largest value between 101 and 55. After saving and testing, we'll see the output is 101. Let's continue with the min function. The min function returns the smallest value from a set of numbers or from a specified array. Let's test this by using the min function to find the smallest value between the same numbers. After saving and testing, we'll see that this time the output is 55. That's it for our guide on mathematical functions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helped you understand how to work with numbers using these essential functions. Be sure to join us again in the next part, where we'll explore even more powerful features. See you next time.